kinda don't want none unless you got buns, hun. I don't think you guys heard me. I said my anaconda don't want none unless you got buns, hun. Damn, girl. Oh. Let's get into this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, this is new. This is very new. I'm sorry guys, I can't help it. I love this hair. Oh my god. Okay, right, let's talk about it. So a company reached out to me called, I need to get this right, DYHAIR777. 3 7s. Guys. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, I asked you guys what hair are you guys rocking this summer. I really wanted a kind of bob wig because it's hot and I've got really bad eczema, so like I don't really like long hair touching my arms or my neck, so I really wanted something short that I could wear this summer. And DYHAIR777, you guys, you finessed your girl. Oh, can we just So the wig that they actually sent me is a Brazilian wig, and I'm going to leave the links down below to where I got it and exactly which wig I have and all the information around the company and the hair, because if you guys wanna guys, I can't help it, I'm sorry, I just love this hair. I just love it. I just love it. I'm going to show you guys the unboxing of the hair. It came in the cutest package I have ever seen in my life. Check it out.
The truth will break your chains. We have the key. Open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the answers, and they ain't never gonna hold us back. The sea is rising like we dancers. Imagine life without a purpose. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Everything you're fighting for.
Okay guys, so a quick review on the hair so far. My first impressions, I've already told you guys, I love it. It's soft. Can you just? The only thing I would say that I struggled with this hair a bit when trying to install it was when I was cutting the lace at the front. For some reason, because it does come with baby hairs, like really very nice baby hairs, but I kind of struggled because I asked for a middle part, which they gave me, but it goes like a very nice middle part, and then it kind of is got a lot of lace at the front, but I can't really cut that lace because that's where the baby hairs are. So at first it looked a bit odd, but to just fix that, I just put some black eyeshadow, some black and brown eyeshadow, and I mixed it in there, and you can't even tell. So that's the only thing that I found a bit odd about the hair. Other than that, guys, I don't know what more I can say. The one thing I am going to do, I am going to customize this wig for my next video, because I did want a bob, but it's a bit long for my opinion of a bob. So I am going to customize it. Well, I'm not. Dan's going to, because if you guys didn't know, Dan used to be a hairdresser, and I cannot cut hair to save my life, and I do not want to butcher this wig. So I'm going to get Dan to actually customize it for me. So I'm going to make it really short at the back, and then like make it swoop at the front, because at the back is kind of long for my liking. So that's what I'm going to do. Other than that, guys, I love it. I love my baby, yeah, yeah, I love my chick. I love my baby, yeah, yeah, I love my chick. I love my baby, yeah, yeah, I love my chick. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think about this hair because I love it. What do you guys think of me with short hair? I like the bob look. When I first actually met Dan, I had a bob, my natural hair, it was relaxed. Let's not talk about that. And it was a bob. So I really wanted to go back to my roots in a way and have a bob again. So let me know what you guys think of this hair. Write it down below if you guys like it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video.